right? I have one zucchini slice. My pepper, which I've seasoned. Just gonna cut that into nice strips. Okay, got the yellow pepper done. There it goes. Just gonna add an orange pepper to this. We're gonna make a sheet pan dish today. You guys have been wanting a lot of sheet pans. When I asked what kind of dishes you'd like to see, that was the #1 answer, was sheet pan dishes. So I got my orange pepper in here. I'm just gonna add some olive oil to that, just enough to coat, and season with a little bit of salt and pepper, all right? I've got 1 lemon that I'm gonna juice, and I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 clove of garlic that I've minced, 1 tablespoon of my fresh oregano from my garden, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. And I have about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast that I sliced real thin. And then we're just gonna pour this over. Oh, that is gonna flavor that chicken so nicely. So I'm just gonna mix that with my tongs. I'm gonna add that chicken down one side of the sheet pan. So you can see how thin that is. Really nice thin slices. With some different tongs, I'm going to add my vegetables to the other side. That last little bit in there, that's looking perfect. So nice. All right, I have my oven preheated to 425 degrees. I'm gonna let it cook for about 15 minutes and then check it and toss it. All right, so I'm just gonna grate about 1/2 cup of my cucumber. All right, I just have a clean towel here. I'm gonna add that cucumber onto it and just fold it up and just kind of squish it so I can get that liquid out of it. All right, that's perfect. Add in that cucumber that we squeezed out. I'm gonna add 1 small container of Greek yogurt. I have 1/2 of a lemon, so about a tablespoon worth that we're going to juice in. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of red wine vinegar, and I have a chunk of some feta cheese, so you can use as much as you like. So this will probably be about a 1/2 cup worth. Now I like to buy the chunks because I think the texture's better and the flavor's better than getting it when it's already crumbled. So I like to crumble it myself. Definitely want to season with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. Now we're gonna just mix this together, and that's it for a quick tzatziki sauce. Look at that. Perfect. All right, our chicken and veggies are done. They look perfect. So I have my pita bread, and I'm just gonna add some pieces of chicken in here. Gotta have some veggies. It looks great. Then that homemade tzatziki sauce, gotta have it. Okay, that looks good. Then I'm just gonna add some red onion and some lettuce. I'm using butter lettuce, but whatever you have works. And then some tomatoes from my garden. How delicious does that look? What a great sheet pan dish, right? There we go. That tzatziki sauce is amazing. I love it. Yum.